It was a lot easier. It was a lot easier than doing it myself. Coming here, it just pretty much a lot of things that we have on our credits. It's pretty, like for me at least, it was really confusing to actually pull up my credit report and see all these finances and other things that I have in debt. And a lot of that stuff is probably not too important for you to have to come out of pocket and pay, and then even if you do pay it, it's still on your credit report. So I think the best thing about this place was that, you know, you come here and everybody was really nice when you first walk in. You kind of just show them your problems. They lay everything out for you. They show you what you have, and they show you what you can do and what to expect, and they work with you. They're always in contact with you. And today, even just coming in and seeing how much stuff was off my credit, and I mean, I had a lot of stuff, and now I'm just down to like 4 things, but I mean 4 things that are really simple and just easy to pay for. I mean, my mom, she came here and they wiped out everything on hers, and now she has 750 credit score, and I'm just really happy with the services here, because I probably couldn't have done that by myself. I mean, that's a lot of stuff that they took off. So so I'm really happy, and you know, just move on forward, and everybody makes mistakes, and you know, you just gotta learn from them. And thank you, Vivix, for helping me, and now I have a good credit score, so thank you.